I see you finished up those sales receipts, and it's looking good. Let's move on.
So how's my favorite bookkeeper doing?
I'm surrounded by shoe boxes. What's up?
Just wanted to let you know that I deposited those 2 checks. By the way, any idea when I can get those financial reports?
Lou, I'm up to my eyeballs in sales receipts and invoices over here. Forget about it.
Sales receipts and invoices. Aren't those the same thing?
Oh, Lou. You know, most small business owners treat every sales transaction the same. Customer pays in cash, sales receipt. Send an invoice, sales receipt. This is actually pretty common. However, when it comes to bookkeeping, doing this is a huge mistake. If you enter everything as a sales receipt, how are you going to keep track of who owes you what? That's why it's so important to log things correctly. Here, let me show you this video. It will explain the difference.
When recording sales into QuickBooks, there are 2 primary workflows. With the first workflow, customers have a number of days to pay. There's also a second workflow, though, which is if a customer pays at the time of the sale. Now, with the first workflow, with the customers having a number of days to pay, the first transaction you enter is an invoice. Then later, they give you a payment, and that payment gets applied to the invoice in the form of a receive payment transaction. It's something that you need to enter into QuickBooks. If the money goes directly into checking, you're done. There's no other transactions to enter. But if the payment is going to be deposited at the bank later or grouped together with other customer payments, there is one final transaction that needs to be made, which is a bank deposit. So that is the first workflow, if a customer is given a number of days to pay. If, however, a customer pays right away, the first transaction that you need to enter is a sales receipt. A sales receipt tells QuickBooks not only did you make a sale, but you also received money from a customer. Because the sales receipt combines both the sale and the receipt of money, you're able to skip the receive payment step and go directly over to the bank deposit. Use these 2 workflows to record your sales in QuickBooks.